First, take out our 4-pole cable. Connect the USB to 485. Connect the AB cable. Then take out the 12-volt regulated power supply. Connect the positive and negative terminals. USB 485 communication serial port connected to the computer. The wire is connected to our sensor. Finally, connect the power supply. Next, perform the sensor temperature calibration. Remove the protective cover from the sensor. Place next to it and place the sensor in pure water. Shake gently to shake out any air bubbles, with the bottom of the sensor more than 2 centimeters from the bottom and walls of the glass. After 5 minutes of stabilization, use a mercury thermometer and read the actual temperature. Read the actual temperature of the mercury thermometer as 23.5 degrees. Open the latest version of Modbus IS software. Scan the serial port, select the corresponding port, and keep the others as default. Open the serial port, select pH for the device type. Get the device address and read the data. Once the temperature value has stabilized, in the temperature calibration input box, enter the actual temperature value of 23.5 degrees Celsius that was just read by the mercury thermometer. Click Calibrate. The lower left corner displays temperature calibration successful and reads the data. pH temperature calibration is now complete. Next, perform a pH sensor zero calibration by placing the sensor in pure water. Gently dry the sensor surface. Place the sensor in the 6.86 standard solution. Tilt it in along the wall of the cup. Shake gently to shake out air bubbles. Note that the bottom of the sensor is 2 centimeters or more from the bottom and walls of the cup. Next, use the latest version of Modbus IS software to perform a pH zero calibration, read the data, and wait for the value to stabilize before zero calibrating. Click on Calibrate. The bottom left corner shows zero calibration successful. Read data. pH zero calibration is finished. Next, perform a slope calibration for pH. The sensor was taken out of the 6.86 standard solution and shuffled into pure water. Gently dry the surface. Place the sensor in the 9.18 standard solution. Tilt it in along the wall of the cup. Shake gently to shake out air bubbles. Keep the bottom of the sensor 2 centimeters or more from the bottom and walls of the cup. Next, slope calibration of pH was performed using the latest version of Modbus IS software. First, read the data and wait for the value to stabilize before slope calibration. Click on Calibrate. The lower left corner shows the successful slope calibration and reads the data. pH slope calibration is complete.